Yeah, hi guys. Since my last video was like a total failure, I decided to make this one to tell you to watch the Lying Down game that me and Shelly and a few other random people did it from town. Um, we're gonna be remaking it and seeing if the sound actually comes up this time because it kind of sucked because YouTube didn't put the sound up. And yeah, I last night I was hearing noises from my attic that were kind of strange. So I was hearing them this morning, so I'm going up to investigate more, which I will bring the camera up with me, and I shall post it on YouTube. And oh yeah, people who like to lick people's faces, can you stop kind of doing it because it freaks me out when some random person comes up to me and starts licking my face for no reason. So yeah, sorry. So